Hey everyone! Welcome back today, exploration of the latest wooden art design carving, using chisels, knives, and gouges to remove wood and create shapes or relief designs, turning, shaping wood on a lathe to create symmetrical objects like bowls, vases, or decorative pieces, pyrography, using heated tools to burn designs into wood surfaces, intarsia, creating mosaic-like pictures by fitting together pieces of different colored woods. Marquetry, similar to intarsia, but typically using veneers to create more detailed images, scroll sawing, using a fine blade to cut intricate patterns and designs, whittling, a traditional technique of carving shapes with a knife, often used for smaller objects. Tools, hand tools, chisels, gouges, knives, rasps, files, and hand planes, power tools, electric saws, routers, sanders, and drills, specialty tools, wood burners for pyrography, lathe for turning, scroll saw for intricate cuts, types of wood, hardwoods, oak, maple, walnut, cherry, mahogany, prized for durability in grain patterns, softwoods, pine, cedar, for easier to work with but less durable. Exotic woods, ebony, rosewood, zebrawood, used for their unique colors and patterns, finishing techniques, staining, enhancing or changing the wood's natural color, oiling, using natural oils like linseed or tung oil to protect and enhance the wood, varnishing, applying clear protective coats for a glossy finish. Painting, using various paints to add color and designs, waxing, applying wax for a soft sheen and protection, styles and forms, traditional, following historical patterns and techniques, contemporary, modern interpretations and abstract designs, functional art, artistic pieces that also serve a practical purpose, e.g., furniture, utensils, sculptural, freestanding or wall-mounted artistic pieces. Relief carving, creating three-dimensional designs that project from a flat background. Artistic considerations, grain direction, working with or against the wood grain for different effects, wood movement, accounting for natural expansion and contraction in designs, color matching, selecting woods for their natural colors or combining different species, texture, exploiting or altering the natural texture of wood for artistic effect, learning and skill development, apprenticeships, learning from experienced artisans, workshops and classes, short-term learning. Opportunities, self-teaching, practicing techniques through books, videos, and trial and error, formal education, degrees in fine arts or woodworking from colleges and universities. Advanced techniques, steam bending, using steam to make wood pliable for creating curved forms, wood lamination, bonding thin layers of wood to create strong, shapeable pieces, segmented turning, creating complex forms by gluing multiple wood pieces before turning, chip carving, making precise, geometric cuts to create intricate patterns, inlay work, embedding contrasting materials, wood, metal, stone, into recessed areas, experimental approaches, charred wood, sho sugi ban a Japanese technique of burning wood surfaces for preservation and aesthetic effect, fractal wood burning, using high-voltage electricity to create lightning-like patterns, note, extremely dangerous if not done properly. Wood and resin combinations, mixing wood with colored epoxy resins for unique effects, kinetic wooden sculptures, creating moving parts or interactive elements in wooden artworks, specialized wood selection, spalted wood, using wood with unique patterns caused by fungal decay, burl wood, utilizing the highly figured wood from tree growths, reclaimed wood, repurposing old timber for its character and sustainability, root wood, working with the uniquely shaped wood from tree roots. Technological integration, 3D modeling, using software to design complex pieces before physical creation, CNC routing, employing computer-controlled cutting for precision and repeatability. Laser engraving, adding intricate details or personalization to wooden pieces, 3D printing, creating molds or components to complement wooden elements, conceptual and thematic approaches, environmental art, creating pieces that comment on ecological issues, historical recreations, reproducing artifacts or techniques from different eras, optical illusions, designing wooden pieces that play with perception, sound sculptures, crafting wooden instruments or sound-producing artworks. Cross-cultural fusion, combining Eastern and Western woodworking traditions, incorporating global indigenous wood art techniques into contemporary pieces, blending woodworking with other cultural art forms, e.g., Japanese woodblock printing techniques applied to sculpture, collaborative projects, artist collectives, multiple woodworkers collaborating on large-scale installations, cross-disciplinary work, woodworkers partnering with other types of artists, e.g., painters, metalsmiths, Community projects, engaging local communities in creating public wooden artworks, sustainable practices, using urban harvested wood from city trees that need removal, developing techniques for using small or waste wood pieces. Creating art that promotes forest conservation awareness, therapeutic and educational applications, art therapy, using woodworking as a form of mental health treatment, educational programs, teaching woodworking skills to promote cognitive development and practical skills, rehabilitation projects, employing woodworking in physical therapy or rehabilitation settings, innovative finishes and treatments, UV-reactive finishes, applying coatings that change appearance under ultraviolet light, color-changing stains, using thermochromic or photochromic treatments that respond to temperature or light, metallic infusions, incorporating metal powders into wood for unique visual effects. Miniaturization and detail work, creating intricate wooden microsculptures, developing techniques for working with very thin or delicate wooden elements, exploring the limits of detail possible with various wood types, large-scale and architectural integration, designing wooden art installations for public spaces, creating functional wooden art pieces integrated into architecture. Pushing the boundaries of size in wooden sculpture and installation art.